Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with a comparison review of our two popular smartwatches. We have the D3 Pro here, and the other one we have the HAYLOU RT smartwatch. So this one is your HAYLOU RT. And we have here the D3 Pro. So the same, circular body design, sport smartwatch. Okay, so we're going to check on its menus and compare the design and specs, the basic specs of these two wearables. If you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, let's have a look at the design of these two wearables. Okay, so here on our D3 Pro, we have a stainless steel body here. Okay, glossy color or glossy finish. You have two physical buttons, one circular and one flat button here. Beautiful bezel, okay, somewhat like a chronotype. Circular display, and we have a ceramic back and a flexible TP strap with a quick release pin feature. For our HAYLOU RT smartwatch, we have a metal bezel here, simple design, circular display, two physical circular button, and we have a uni body case here. Okay, so this one. So it is not a metal but a PC material. Okay, so let's take a look at the back. So as you can see here, the D3 Pro do have a premium look, premium design, okay, office sporty look, while for the HAYLOU RT smartwatch we have a casual look. Okay, so almost the same in size here. Okay, physical button. Okay, so this is the design of your D3 Pro. It's in comparison compared to HAYLOU RT. Okay, for the menu here, so accessing the menu, just press or just tap here. Okay, swipe, and we have the different functions here. Okay, for the D3 Pro, okay, just press this one and we have the different functions. Okay, so almost the same list type menu. Okay, different functions, different features. So the D3 Pro do have a blood pressure, blood oxygen, and heart rate. For the HAYLOU RT, it has a blood beats per minute or heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring. So let me show it to you. Okay, so we have here the animation of both sensor. Okay, going back for the sports. Okay, let me show the sports here. So we have walking, jogging, running, biking, so different options here. Okay, or different layout of menu. So let me show you the data that the sports will gather during your training. Okay, let's go for the walking. Where's the walking here for the other one? Okay, let's go for the fast walking. Okay, oops. Okay, walking. So go. Okay, so here, so for the HAYLOU RT, it gathers or it monitors the time, of course the steps It's already included the heart rate and the distance. For the D3 Pro, we have the time, beats per minute, calorie steps, and the distance. Okay, so almost the same data. Let's stop. Okay, so what are the additional features here? Music, weather, you have sleep stopwatch, okay, alarm also have, so they almost have the same features here. Okay, you also have the brightness. Okay, suggest brightness. Okay, already in full. Settings, melody. Okay, both here about brightness and watch face. Okay, regarding the screen display here, okay, let's go to the specifications. The D3 Pro, this one, do have a 1.32-inch IPS LCD with a 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Okay, very good display screen. While for the HAYLOU RT, we have a basics. Okay, average 1.28-inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. For the connectivity here, both do have a Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, while for the D3 Pro, it supports Bluetooth call, while for the D3 Pro, okay, or the D3 Pro supports Bluetooth call, while for the HAYLOU RT, so it doesn't support Bluetooth call. Okay, so again, for the HAYLOU RT, we have a 1.2-inch TFT, while for the D3 Pro, we have a 1.32-inch IPS LCD. Much bigger, much higher resolution. For the battery, we have 280 for the D3 Pro, this one, 280, and 300 mAh for the HAYLOU RT. It has a very good, this one, it has a very good standby time compared to this one. This one, it will just take at least a week, then no battery anymore. Okay, no use, just like this. 25% before, and now it's already 0%. So it consumes battery much faster. Okay, so again, for the sensors, both do have a motion sensor. While this one, it has a heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen for the D3 Pro. While for the HAYLOU RT, we have the motion sensor, heart rate, and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so when it comes to sports tracking and of course battery life, go for the HAYLOU RT. If you want a better design, much better design, great graphics, go for the D3 Pro. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding these two wearables, the HAYLOU RT and the D3 Pro, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.